In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply FAQ schema markup in Wix blog posts. Properly applying FAQ schema can significantly enhance your blog's visibility by making it more likely to appear in Google's featured snippets, showing the most relevant information up front to potential readers. First things first, let's start by editing your blog post. To do this, log into your Wix account and navigate to the blog section where all your posts are listed. Choose the blog post you wish to edit by clicking on the edit button next to it. This will open the post editor, a familiar space where you usually manage your text, images, and other post elements. Here, we're gearing up to add some valuable FAQ content, so make sure your basic post is ready and polished before proceeding. Once you're in the editor, look for the option to add what's called a collapsible list. This is essentially the feature that lets you add and organize questions and answers in your post, making them easy to expand or collapse for the user. On the right-hand menu, typically labeled something like Add Elements or Widgets, find the collapsible list and simply drag and drop it to your desired spot within your blog post. The location is important. You'll want this list to be in a place where it logically fits and complements the rest of your content. Now, with the collapsible list in place, it's time to dive into creating your FAQs. Click into the first collapsible item to start entering your questions and their corresponding answers. Make sure your questions are clear and concise. Your answers should, of course, be detailed enough to provide value, but not so long that they discourage readers from engaging. Keep in mind your audience and the most common queries they might have about your blog topic. This decision will significantly impact the usefulness of your FAQs and, by extension, your SEO standing. After your questions and answers are set up, it's vital to enable the FAQ schema. Select your collapsible list and, typically from the Settings or Options menu, look for an option labeled something along the lines of Enable FAQ Schema. This setting will make sure that your questions and answers are formatted in a way that search engines can recognize as official FAQ content, thereby increasing the likelihood of being displayed as a rich result on search result pages. Finally, it's time to publish. Review your changes one last time to make sure everything is in order. Once satisfied, hit the publish button to go live with your blog post changes. Congratulations! Your blog post now includes a well-structured FAQ section designed to boost your search engine presence and provide readers with direct answers to commonly asked questions. Remember, the key to success here lies in the relevancy and quality of your questions and answers. Well-done FAQ sections can not only improve your SEO, but also enhance user experience significantly, encouraging more extended engagement with your content.